Congratulations on your purchase of a Philips HeartStart FRX defibrillator. Your HeartStart FRX can help you save the life of someone suffering sudden cardiac arrest. In this video, you will learn how to maintain the two accessories that will eventually need to be replaced: the pads and the battery. Your FRX comes with a simple maintenance sticker to help you keep track of these accessories. On this sticker, write down the key dates for your accessories, the install by date for your spare battery, and the expiration date for your pads. Keep in mind that the date on the battery is not an expiration date. It represents the latest date the battery should be installed into the device in order to ensure full battery life. Replace your pads when they reach their expiration date. The pads are designed to be stored pre-connected to your AED. To change the pads case, disconnect the cable. Take your new pads case out of its package, pull out the connector a short length, and insert the connector plug into the defibrillator. Replace your battery when your device alerts you to.
Low battery. Insert fresh battery.
To change the battery, press this latch to pop out the old battery and slip in the new one, snapping the top firmly into place. The battery can be recycled at an appropriate recycling facility. As soon as your new battery is inserted, your defibrillator will automatically begin a comprehensive self-test.
If the orange button is flashing, press it.
Simply follow the verbal instructions.
Verified. On-off button test. Press the green on-off button. Verified.
After passing the self-test, your AED will be in standby mode and ready for use. All you need to do is make sure this green light is blinking. To store your FRX, put the device back into the right side of the case, with the pre-connected pads on the left. Store a set of pads in their unopened packaging and a spare battery underneath. Periodically, and after each use, check that all your supplies and spares are undamaged and unexpired. For more information about maintenance and cleaning, check your owner's manual. Follow these few steps and you will ensure your HeartStart FRX is ready to help save a life when you need it. Innovation and you. Philips.